Go to the Fusion tab and select the median one. Go to Effects panel and click on the Search Effects and type here Paint. Double click on this paint effect to add. Once the paint effect added, here select this polyline stroke tool and now go to your preview window and draw your line just like this. You can also curve your line. To make a straight line, you can hold down the Shift key and add several dots to make the straight line. And then under Inspector, expand Stroke Controls, and here drag these right on at the start just like this, and then turn on keyframes. Click and drag your timeline head a few seconds forward just like this, and then again come to the Stroke Control section and here drag this right on to right side just like default. And now here we have our animated lines.